a mandatory Year 13 has been added to your educational pathway. Good morning, Year 11. Hope we are all well this morning. I have some really significant news. This news will affect you all directly and will impact your HSC and graduation dates. With this said, a mandatory Year 13 has been added to your educational pathway, and therefore you will no longer be graduating in 2026. You will now be graduating in 2027. Thank you. So it is compulsory that you complete your 13th year. There is one other vital piece of information that I need to share with you. Wollongong High School of the Performing Arts this year was selected to be a part of the 2025 April Fool's Day joke.